Introducing first, from the blue corner, he is an MMA fighter holding an amateur record of 2 wins and no loss. He stands 5 feet 4 inches tall, fighting from T-Rex MMA, representing Quezon City, John Ray the Magnet Alejandro! And now, introducing his opponent, fighting out of the red corner, holding an amateur record of 2 wins, 2 losses. He stands 5 feet 6 inches tall, representing Grapplers MMA and from Lake Hawaiian, Bulacan, Florence, the Shark Shooter Mafia! This bout has been presented by Getaway Protein.
Guys, go after corners. Pinay rules, no? Okay, fighters ready. Judge! Okay, ready? Fight! Trip. Pero kalmero.
Secure! Okay, good. Secure muna!
Bridge. Maintain your position.
Okay, hawakan mo yung shoulder.
Shoulder!
Hawakan mo yung
Yan,
shoulder.
bridge.
Yung left muna, anak. Left. Yung right arm mo, hawakan mo yung shoulder niya. Hawakan mo, kaling sa bato. Lahat ng bato.
Lalim ng batok!
Ilagay mo,
Guys!
yung wrist.
Yeah.
Hawakan mo yung shoulder.
Okay, walang patient.
Okay, control ha.
Control na yan, ha?
Dahan-dahan.
Walang patient.
Dalawa yan, pantay mo yung angat din sa... Pantay mo yung paso. Sige, diretso lang. Go. Dire. Hayaan mo siya. Focus ka lang.
Stay heavy.
Focus.
Bridge, bro.
Stay heavy.
Dali mo dito!
Alis
Dali mo
isa
dito!
lang ha.
Sige! Kaya mo!
Sige, mag-cross tayo na.
Labas dyan, bro. Labas.
Shoulder. Hawakan mo. Yan.
Underage, bro.
Okay. Punch stroke, ha? Punch stroke.
Ulak.
Go first. Sige, focus lang. Ito na. Focus ko. Forward. Okay, time out.
Dyan, Ray.
Yan! Yan!
Labas. Tulo.
Okay, leg lock yan, ha? Remember the leg lock. Wala yan. Sige, remember the leg lock. Florence.
Secure mo muna, Flores!
Yan, square.
Yan! O, sige, secure mo!
Forward yung chest mo na. Forward.
Yan!
Isa pa. Take the back.
This is no longer a battle, this is war!
Bro, bawal po sa mukha, bro. Try ka, bro.
Flores.
Warning lang. Warning, wala pa kanina. Pero wag mo babagsakan. Dadaganan, pwede. Babagsakan, bawal. Fight! Roll!
Yan. Sige, Albert,
Yan!
Nice.